Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. If you are new here, you're welcome. Make sure you click on the subscribe button below to join the family. So today guys, I'm going to be talking about how to improve your performance as a man and as a woman. Okay, so this formula I'm about to show you today, even if you are 80 years old man or even if you are 70-year-old woman, see, you go dey sing carry me dey go Jehovah, carry me dey go the next level. Do you understand what I mean? So if you know you are a weak man in the other room, you know what I mean already. And if you are a woman watching me, you know your pekus no dey shake body. What is that? Watch this video from start to finish so that you know how to make a remedy to improve your performance, to make you stay juicy as a woman, to make you produce juice as a woman, to make your VJ taste nice, taste sweet, okay? And as a man, this remedy will actually makes you last long and become very, very sweet and attractive to your woman. Because see, woman, I dey tell you, woman, they love strong thing. Oh, this remedy here, it will give you all the energy you need to perform as a man. Guys, I know you don't joke with this, all right? So if this is what you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. So yeah, let's get into the preparation, guys. So guys, the first ingredient I'm going to be working with in this video is date. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and soak it inside the water to make it soft, okay, so that your blender can blend it properly. So after washing it, you set it aside. So the second ingredient I'm going to be working with in this video is tiger nut. As you can see, this tiger nut is a dried tiger nut, but I just buy it like that and I soak it into a water for 24 hours before it turns into this. Wash it thoroughly and set it aside. So the third ingredient I'm going to be working with in this video is coconut. And also I'm going to be working with ginger. As you can see, I am cutting that ginger down into small pieces so that the blender can easily blend it together, okay? At this point, pour everything into the blender and add some water, a reasonable amount of water, and blend everything together till it is smooth. Pour everything into a sieve and sieve out the juice. Then pour the juice into a mug or a glass cup, whatever. You can decide to put it in the fridge or you can decide to drink it fresh like this. This is power, fire. The usage of this remedy, make sure you take this remedy like 3 times a week, guys, and see how you will perform like Onidon, all right? And see how your love story will actually change, okay? Drastically, it will change, gone, because your partner will be asking you, what are you using? What is happening, okay? Your partner will be asking you what is up, what is happening, and all of that. Buhaha, okay? So for the usage of this remedy, of this DIY, make sure you take this remedy, 1 cup of it, as a woman or as a man 3 times a week, and see how your love story change, all right? See how your love story grow from 0 to 100%. Okay, this is no joke. Oh, this remedy is very, very active. This remedy is very, very active for men and women. Please, this remedy is no joke. Oh, if you are not serious, if you are still single, don't use this. Oh, because when the hard grow comes or more, you go fear. Oh. When the hard grow comes or more, you go fear. Oh, I dey tell you now. Okay. So make sure you take it 3 times a week. I mean, take 1 cup 3 times a week as a man, or as a woman, or as a lady, or bobo, any which way you are, okay? Any which way, okay? So if this video is interesting, make sure to share this video. You know, someone else might need this recipe. And also click on the subscribe button below, please. It is very important. Okay, click on the like button so that YouTube can actually suggest this video to other people, so that this video could go viral. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.